Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really special for you, a super versatile and beautiful crochet project that's as functional as it is fun to make. Whether you want a cozy blanket, a charming picnic mat, a cute tablecloth, or even a bouquet style gift, this design has you covered literally. Before we jump in, here's how the project is structured. Color A will be used for the foundation, the large round base. Color B will form the leaves and calyxes. Color C will bring the flowers, the final decorative petals, to life. You can go bold, pastel, or totally mix it up. It's your creative playground. The pattern is beginner friendly, starting with a magic ring and building out with increasing rounds of double crochet and chain stitches. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's begin with color A, which will form the foundation of our project. The big round base that can grow into a blanket, tablecloth, or picnic mat. Start by making a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your fingers to form a loop. Then insert your hook into the ring, pull up a loop, and chain 2, secure it. So as you can see, I made already 2 chain. This will not count as a stitch. It's just to bring us up to the right height for double crochet. Now make 12 double crochets into the magic ring. Once you've completed all 12 double crochets, pull the tail of the magic ring to close the circle nice and tight. Then slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet to close the round. That's your center done. Now we'll start increasing to expand the round. For this next round, chain 2 again. This will not count as a stitch. In the same stitch, make 2 double crochets, then chain 1. This is our repeat for the round. 2 double crochets in the same stitch, then chain 1. Continue this sequence all the way around the circle. Each chain 1 space will separate the 2 double crochets, helping your work stay nice and flat as it grows. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and feel free to comment and share. If you want to support me, you can send me a donation through my PayPal link in the description box below. Or you can show your support by sending a super chat while my video is streaming, or by sending a super thanks. Once you've worked all the way around, slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet to close the round. Now let's move on to the next round where we'll continue to increase. Chain 2, not counted as a stitch. 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Then increase in the next. Then after the increase, chain 1, and this will be our repeat pattern. After chaining 1, skip that chain from the previous row and insert your hook in top of the double crochet. Again, our repeat pattern here is 1 double crochet, increase, then chain 1. We'll start building the large round base by increasing in a steady sequence. For example, in round 2 or 3, the pattern is 1 double crochet, then increase, then chain 1. So in this next round, I'm gonna chain 2 again, not counted as a stitch. Then I'm gonna make 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then in the third stitch I'm gonna do an increase. Then after an increase, chain 1. Again, our repeat pattern will be 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, then increase in the next stitch, then chain 1. Try to check the comment box below regarding the sequence of your increase. This gradual increase helps the circle grow evenly and keeps it lying flat. Keep repeating this structure until your base reaches the size you want, whether it's a small centerpiece or a full-size blanket. Once you get the hang of the sequence of our increase, you can pause this part here and come back once you are satisfied with the size of the foundation. Let me show you one more time for those who didn't get the sequence. Chain 2 is not counted as a stitch. Then from here on this row, I'm gonna double crochet in the next 3 stitches and then increase. Chain 1, skip that chain from the previous row, insert your hook in the next stitch and make 3 stitches and then increase. You can post this part and come back once you reach your desired length or size. So I end up with 36 double crochet in the next 36 stitches before the increase, and this is how wide it is. There are 2 options that I'm gonna show you in this next part. I wanted my project to end with last 1 round repeat with the color B or the green yarn. But if you want to end here, so I'm gonna show you how to make or what is the pattern for making the lift and the calyx. Instead of pulling that white yarn, pull out the second color or the green yarn instead. Then chain 1, and in the same stitch, make 1 single crochet. Take note that this first row of this next part, it's for the foundation for our calyx and for our lift. So after making that single crochet, chain 5. After chaining 5, skip that 2 stitches and insert your hook in the next stitch with a single crochet. Then from that, repeat chaining 5, skip 2 stitches, insert in the third stitch or next stitch, and make a single crochet. Repeat this pattern all the way around and slip stitch in the last stitch. But then again, I will show you this pattern again once I finish my last round repeat for our base. As I mentioned, I want my last round repeat with the color B or a green yarn. So the pattern will be the same, but still I have to increase. So from here, pull out the green yarn, chain 2, not counted as a stitch. So I'm just gonna continue making double crochet in the remaining stitches and then increase in the last stitch before the chain 1. Just showing you how I finished this last round. So again, for the foundation of our lift and calyx, chain 1, make single crochet in the same stitch, and then chain 5, skip 2 stitches, insert in the next with a single crochet. You can pause and repeat this pattern all the way around, and I'm gonna show you how you're gonna continue the second or the next part. So do a slip stitch. So in this row, we're gonna start with a chain 1 and then make 1 single crochet into that chain space, and after that chain 2, 3. What we are making right now is a calyx or a sepals. So double crochet, chain 1, repeat 3 times, then 1 more DC. So in this first chain space, we did 1 single crochet, chain 3, then make double crochet, chain 1 4 times, and then end with chain 3, single crochet. This is how it should look like. In this next chain space, we're gonna make a leaf and start with a single crochet, chain 7, insert your hook in the 4th chain with a slip stitch, and then chain 3 and then single crochet in the chain space. So from here, we're gonna repeat this pattern, alternate, make calyx or sepals, and then leaf in every chain space. This is how it should look like. You can pause this again and you can continue your project, and I will see you once you finish. So we started with a calyx. We should end with a leaf, and to end this row, insert your hook with a slip stitch in this first single crochet, and that's it. Now let's proceed to the petals. I choose to make the lily of the valley. You can make a roses, but it has a different pattern, of course. So insert your hook here, grab your color C, make a chain 2, and then yarn over 5 times. Pull through all the loops on the hook and chain 1. Now you're gonna repeat this pattern 5 times in between those double crochet in the calyx that we made in the previous row. You only need to make these in the calyxes. Once you've completed all the 5 petals, slightly turn your work like this and insert your hook in that first stitch and make a slip stitch. So let's start with chain 2, and in between these 2 petals, we're gonna make 2 double crochet, pick up. So this is the first double crochet, and then make picot. The picot will be chain 3 and then slip stitch in here. So let's do it one more time. 1 double crochet and then picot. So again, repeat the pattern in the next space or between those petals. Double crochet, picot 2 times. You can pause this part here and come back once you reach in this last space. Let me show you one more time. Do a double crochet, then picot, and then after this you can slip stitch in that first double crochet. Now make sure you cut the yarn enough to sew later to hide all those extra tail. Repeat making the petals only in the calyxes, not in the leaf. And there you have it! Your beautiful multi-purpose crochet piece is complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think, and if you share your creation, tag me. I'd love to see it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy crocheting!